magicians, more magician here, and today we're going to be doing the flower spell from season 2 episode 1. I haven't done a season 2 spell in a while, but I think we're going to get them now that season 3 out and they're on Netflix and everywhere. So make sure you watch it. If you do see a spell you want me to do, of course leave in the comments and I'll go ahead and do it. This spell's really fast, like really fast. So we're going to do a history spell followed by a demonstration and then step-by-step instruction. For this spell, they were trying to find the Rainbow Bridge, and Quentin said, of course, there was no map to find the Rainbow Bridge, so they can find the different crowns for the kings and queens of Fillory. And they learned that Martin had found the Rainbow Bridge with a spell, and Eliot suggested that he do the same. So he made a specific flower pattern on the ground, which I feel like is a very, very important part of the flower spell to find the Rainbow Bridge. And once he did it, and he found this, once he did the spell, he was able to find it. Alright, let's start with our demonstration. Our hands. Like so. So you're going to start here and then roll your hands out. Simple. Alright, so prayer hands. And then unlock your fingers to actually make your hands together as another form of prayer hands. Then you're going to push your hands out forward, still connected, but have your pinkies touching to make a small triangle. Your thumbs at the bottom should be separated, okay? And then you bring them back and unroll your fingers. Connect your thumbs, put all your fingers together, and then you'll be simply guided forward by saying, "He loves me not," until he loves you and gives you the path. Alright? So let's do it together. Prayer hands here, secondary prayer hands, extend, thumbs out, pinkies triangle, bring it back, thumbs together, fingers together. He loves me not. Alright? See, that was real easy. Alright? Guys have any questions, leave them a comment. Still let me know about that stream if you guys want me to do it. If not, I won't do it, but if you guys want me to, I can surely do it, because I know I'm excited for season 3 and I know you guys all are, because that means new spells, new storyline, new theories. Let's figure out why. Well, Julie has magic, maybe my theory is right, maybe the books are right from their own theory, maybe it's something completely different we didn't think of. You never know, but we're going to find out in season 3. Alright, like, subscribe, share with a friend, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.